Today's lesson is about arrays and partial products. We use these to multiply 3- and 4-digit numbers, so our learning intention is I can use arrays and partial products to multiply 3- and 4-digit numbers. We will know we are successful when I will be able to solve multiplication when I can break apart numbers into different place values. A quick review. Standard form is when the number is written out, 125 in number form. Expanded form is broken apart into place values, 100 plus 20 plus 5. We also want to remember, multiply by 10, add a 0 to the end. For 100, multiply by 100, add 2 zeros to the end. And finally, 1,000. Multiply by 1,000, add 3 zeros to the end. First, let's look at expanded form. 125 is broken into 100 plus 20 plus 5. Then they all are multiplied by 4. So let's look at our ones place value first. 4 times 5 is 20. Moving over to our tens place value, 20 times 4. Multiply by 10, add a 0 to the end. 4 times 2 is 8, so when we add our 0, we have 80. Moving over to our hundreds, multiply by 100, add 2 zeros to the end. 4 times 1 is 4, so we have 400. So we're going to write our 20 over on the problem where we have it written out. We're going to add our 80. Going over to our 400, you'll notice I'm keeping those place values lined up. And we put our line plus our operation, which is addition. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 8 is 10, so you'll notice we had to regroup and put our 10 over in the next place value. 4 plus 1 is 5, so we write down our 5. That is using expanded form to solve the problem. Another way would be using arrays, or place value blocks. Here we have 4 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4. Each of these groups has 125 in it. So if we look at the ones place value first, we have 4 groups. There are 5 ones in each group, so 4 times 5 equals 20. We write down our 20 and look at our tens place value. We have, again, 4 groups. This time we have 2 tens in each group. So 4 times 2 is 8. Add our 0 to the end, you get 80. We write our 80, making sure we keep everything lined up. Now we move over to our hundreds. We have 4 groups of 100, so we write 4 times 100 equals 400. So we're going to write that over here as well. Put our totaling line. We're using addition as our operation. It is very important to make sure you keep these place values in the correct line so that you don't miss the answers. So if we go ahead and we put lines in to make sure we keep our place values straight. So with our lines we have 3 zeros will equal 0. 2 plus 8 is 10. We'll put down our 0 and we need to regroup our 1 over into the next place value. So we carry our 1 or regroup our 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So our answer is 500. So our learning intention today was I can use arrays and partial products to multiply 3- and 4-digit numbers. We know if we are successful if we are able to solve multiplication when I can break apart numbers into different place values.